Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm building a new PC for a customer of mine. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So since this customer was on a budget, I did not pick out the latest and greatest for him, although I kind of wanted to. But instead we went to an AMD based build, with the heart of it being an Athlon 200 GE, which is a great budget CPU. Now, since he wanted to do some gaming on it, I decided to upgrade his integrated graphics with a MSI 1050 Ti, this making the bottleneck his CPU, which is easily upgradable in the future. I chose a 500 watt power supply because although that is completely overkill, it was cheap and I wanted to make this computer easy to upgrade. This computer really did not want to go together easily. You might see the CPU came with a few bent pins, making the installation process quite frustrating and annoying. The motherboard also only had one fan header, although for some odd reason it had two fan headers for the CPU fan. So just one standard fan header. So instead I decided to use one of the CPU fan headers for another fan so it can at least get a decent airflow. Now since, as I mentioned, the customer wanted to use this for gaming, I hooked him up with 16GB of DDR4 Patriot DIMMs. I'd also like to apologize for this terrible video quality, because although I'm using my brand new Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, 6K I mean, my lighting is downright terrible. It's so bad that even though I use a second native ISO, it was still completely dark, needing much cleanup afterwards just to get to the state it is in now. Anyways, the computer turned out great. Customer loved it. No problem so far. It's been over several months. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out my website. Links in the description.